Racing just started. We have Lacan. Break quickly at a start. Irish Toppies running by the rail. Me. Belia. Amore Zariel Zari Specialist comes next. Then comes Calabarzon sharp as ever. Pusong Bato. Beriazon comes next. Adam as well. Burbank is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch. We have Lacan. This is why we follow deep. We can take the lead in the early part of the race. Enjoying a length lead. Irish Toppy rushing upon the yard. City Specialist. Me. Belia. Amore is racing in fourth. Calabarzon is down in fifth. Pusong Bato. Adamas alongside comes Beriazon sharp as ever. Second last. While Burbank is still in last. And at the fourth turn, we have Lacan, Darling, Anyhop, Irish Toppy, Specialist, Cesaria, outside Calabarzon, Nibelia, Amore, Pusong Bato, Adamas, then comes Beriazon, sharp as ever, while Burbank is still in last as they swing for home. Lacan now racing away by about 6 lengths. Irish Toppy in second, Specialist remains in third, and finally, Jockey Kelvin, Dete, Abobo, Lacan. Irish Toppy, then comes Specialist, Mibelia, More, Calabarzon.
As expected, number 6, Lacan, crossing the wire first, ridden by Kelvin, Dete, Abobo. Then masisigundo, numero 1, Irish Toppy, is